We made it through, so it's success already.
This no longer was paid for.
Bye.
Hashtag gifted.
Can't escape it. Once it's over, then you can't wait to press rewind. And I guess it's just how it goes.
These shoes are $20,000 for that shoe right there. Can someone tell me why? Because I have no idea. These are $2,185. They're unreal though. Someone tell me why these are so expensive. Like, what the hell is going on? So we've been here walking around all day. The only thing we wanted to do was go to Flight Club, and we went, and it was too expensive. So it was too expensive to buy anything. So I bought myself a really expensive palette instead. I bought a Pat McGrath palette, which was $125, and I regret nothing. So now we're walking back to get a jacket, and then we'll go straight up to Times Square. So we'll see you when we get there.
From currently and actually be able to read the labels, isn't it?
I love that.
Someone will leave this view with the office.
That's going straight in my basket. Good morning, everyone. We're on the bus now to Crazy Gardens to do shopping and try not to spend all my money. And now we're in New Jersey. Yes, we are having spaghetti and meatballs and a sliced pizza for breakfast. Also, some Fanta. Oh, okay, hold on. Break them in. Oh, how do they look? We are defeated. What time is it now?
7.
So we've been shopping 8 hours. Okay. And this is what I look like. Bags.
Can't keep that pace. Always happens when you least expect it. Takes you over and it knocks you on your face. And it gets deeper as you flip the pages. Same story, but it's told in a different way. It's been a journey, but you're glad you made it. Call it home.
Absolutely freezing today. It says it's 0 with a feel of -6, and he was going to come out without a jacket on, but I have my big new jacket on, the jumper and a bodysuit as well, so hopefully I'll be warm enough. We're going up to the World Trade Center. We made it to the top. Ooh, ooh. Bel Gelantino.
For you know it, you're intoxicated. Fall asleep to
Ella.
even dreaming, no, you can't escape it. Once it's over, then you can't wait to press rewind. And I guess it's just how it goes. And I hope I'm not alone, 'cause I think I'm falling in love. I think I'm falling in love. I think I'm falling in love. I guess I'm falling in love. I think I'm falling in love. I must be falling in love. I guess it's just how it goes. And I hope I'm not alone, 'cause I think I'm falling in love. I think I'm falling in love. I think I'm falling in love. I guess I'm falling in love.
Here on first time trying a Olive Garden breadstick, and I want to record his reaction.
I must be falling in
We walked around for ages and wanted to find somewhere kind of cool to eat, so we chose this place called Mayhem. beer and sandwiches. And we got the smoked meat, which is fennel and cumin rub, grainy mustard slaw, kind of like a pastrami. And then the dragon, which is smoked braised pork, dragon Asian barbecue sauce and slaw. So we will let you know. Oh, it looks really tasty. Anyways, we're in Chelsea Market, which is really cool, hip. We feel like hipsters. We're kind of cool today.
What do you do when you can't be patient? 'Cause your mind and your heart can't keep that pace. Always happens when you least expect it. Takes you.
So Kieran just bought the new iPhone and now we're on the High Line. We're having a bit of a walk, but it's probably a bit minus. And we're going on a boat in an hour. Hello.
See, we have more than enough life jackets for everyone on board. Yay!
Woo!
New York. It's currently in the shower. That is something of it. I am going to try some freezer to get freezer cold water from the tap. I'm taking a video for Wally. She's on to me. I don't think my plan will work. She caught me, Wally. Oh no.
He goes for a kiss one more time, I'm going to kill him. He's worse than my nanny.
Guess it's just how it goes.
You're shy.
And I hope I'm not alone. 'Cause I think I'm falling.
For anyone who knows me or has ever heard me talk, I have been complaining about my phone for a while. No more complaining! I bought a new phone and the light is really good here, so I'll show you here instead of anywhere else. Yay! Last day.
They call me the tiger. So good at golf.